Alright guys, it's Saturday, like I said, and this paper is gonna fly out. Alright, it's Saturday. We got the little dolly back. Oh my, that thing's jumping. Yeah, we got that back there. We're gonna go pick up another Integra, like I said I was. This one I got a pretty good deal on. The body's not too good. The engine might need some work, but overall it's a full car. And I'll show you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so we showed up at the guy's house. Got the dolly here all set up, ready to roll it on. He wants to keep his steering wheel because it's like aftermarket. It's like NRG hub and wheel and stuff. So he's just putting that back on right now so he can pull it out, turn it, and actually put it on the dolly because we can't back the dolly up. It's facing backwards. We need the front tires to go on there. So this is what it looks like. No tail lights, which I'm not really concerned about. But all right guys, we got the Teggy. It's on the back of the trailer, and now we're gonna dolly this thing home. And one of the straps on the trailer is actually broken, so hopefully that doesn't snap. I'm gonna go back to U-Haul and get my money back. But yeah, we're on our way back now. I guess I'll show you the car when it's at my place. That's inside. Literally a full interior. Carpet's decent too. Another set of stupid pedals. And this one actually has engine and transmission. Here's the engine and trans. We got everything in here. The only thing we don't got is a stock airbox and the battery. But supposedly this has a misfire. He said he couldn't get it running, but that's my plan. I'm gonna try and get this running, see what's happening. I haven't even tried to start it yet. Maybe you got a clogged injector, bad spark plugs, bad wires, bad distributor cap. There's so many things. I just don't want to kind of say this engine's poop without testing a bunch of stuff, because it's only got like 290 on it, so it shouldn't just be done like that unless the guy just drove it and didn't take care of it. But it looks like it has a new rad. Hood, it's okay condition again. It's pretty bad. The body, it's like really bad, but I didn't buy it for the body. Didn't come with taillights, unfortunately. But yeah, here's more. They like riveted some stuff. The body's horrible on it. You got two different rims, some steelies in the front, some alloys in the back, winter tires. This guy said it was a winter setup. Mucked fender, mucked door. Back end's all, like I said, rusty. The trunk I think is pretty clean. Everything else like back here is pretty clean. It doesn't have an exhaust, I don't think. I didn't see. Oh, it does have one, but like the stock one, I'm pretty sure. All right, so we're in here and we're messing around with all the random stuff in the cup holders and glove box and stuff, and we found this company. I don't even know how to say that, but anyway, it's a sunroof company. And yeah, this sunroof is not stock. Look at the button. That's not a stock like Integra sunroof button position or button. And then if you see this thing, when do you ever see that? That's weird. And then I looked on the outside. That's why I thought it looked weird. But it says they got it done on this piece of paper in the year 2000. So they bought the cheaper model Integra and put a sunroof in it. All right guys, so we got this in the driveway now. So these two are facing each other. And then we got mine here. With this guy, I'm literally just gonna take my battery, put it in here, and just try and start it. See what happens. I'm gonna check all the oil and stuff, but I'm just gonna see what happens, and then I'll have you guys here to watch. and see what happens. But he said it was misfiring, so we'll see if it is or not. I'll also do a compression test and show you what the compression is after we start it. But yeah, that's the plan right now. All right, battery's connected, hood's up. Do we have a rag? I need to check the oil. I want to check the oil.
You got a t-shirt.
Yeah, that's, you know. All right, what are your guesses? Oil or no oil? I see all the oil here, so I think there's a little bit on the stick, but not much.
I think it's gonna be none.
None?
No oil.
Oh,
it's mint.
dude. There's no way. There's no way.
This guy topped it up before we came.
It's a little full, I'd say.
Yeah.
Dude,
Overfilled.
no wonder it's misfiring.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it anyway, but yeah, that definitely looks like he topped it up or something.
He had that custom sound system.
No,
that was money.
There's no.
Oh yeah.
Like I see lights.
There's lights.
No way. This guy removed the check engine light. Look at this. Check engine light. You see it right there, right? You turn it on, it doesn't light up. So
Nah,
this guy
it's mint.
Yeah, it's mint. All right, let's try and start this. Oh, these pedals are stupid. I'm so scared.
There's only one way to find out. There's a good sign. It's turning over.
He ain't got no gas in it. It is turning over. What does he say? The fuel pump went?
Yeah. There's a fuel pump back there too.
Yo, what?
You never seen that?
Bro.
It's just sitting there. So I don't even know if it has one in it.
Well, I have a spare one of these. Yo, what? Yeah, what?
There might just not even be a fuel pump in it.
Oh my. Bruh.
I just thought of that now. I didn't know if that was like an extra one. Well, you can rip it out and see.
Oh my. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. All right. Jay's taking out the front seats right now, just so, you know, we have room. But back seats are up a bit, and that's just how it was. They spliced something into, I don't know. I think it's an OEM wire. I don't know. But there's no fuel pump. You guys can't really see, but there's no fuel pump. So I'm gonna remove these back seats now. He's gonna remove the front ones. And then I have a fuel pump in the back I'm gonna slap in and just see if that works. And if that works, we're golden. If not, the gas is a bit low, but it should start, honestly. But that's definitely the reason why it wasn't starting. There's no gas coming from the tank to the engine. It's just trying to crank. All right, so front seats are out, back seats are out, carpet's out. It's actually pretty clean for the body outside looking like complete crap. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It has a little bit of gas in there, so it'll definitely start. But yeah, all the hoses are here. I'm just gonna get mine and hook it up, but this is what I was talking about. They kind of got it spliced into the existing harness here, so it looks like just a literal factory replacement. They just didn't tape it back up or do whatever. I don't know what's going on here. It's also a random clip that's just been cut, so yeah, it's gonna be trouble trying to start this. Anyway, I'm gonna go get mine, put it in right now, and then try and give it a start and see how that goes. All right, so we're in the silver Integra, the one right in front of it. My fuel pump's different, the one I had in my backyard. I don't know why, but we're in the silver one. It has a fuel pump. It looks like I'm about to take the cover off, but this is what they cut off. They cut the clip and spliced the wires together. That was the clip I just threw over there. But like, why? I don't know, that just doesn't make sense to me, no?
Yeah, it's kind of weird that they would do that.
But look, here's the same tag too, so I don't know, just weird to me.
They
But,
spliced it in for the sub.
yeah, for the subs. Alright, so we're gonna take this out now and then slap this into the other Integra and then see if it starts. Hopefully it's the same one. Put this one from the silver Integra in here. It actually has an upgraded fuel pump. I think it's a Walbro 255 or something like that. I don't know. But it's in here now. I'm about to tighten up all the bolts and send it. Fuel pump's in. Lines are hooked up. That one's ghetto. Don't worry. It'll still work if it works. It's plugged in, bolted down, and now we're going to test it. Just make sure it's in neutral usually. Okay, that works. Okay. I'm actually nervous. Actually, it's not even priming, so I'm not even gonna start it. It's not even priming. All right, guys. So I brought all my tools in. It's getting pretty late. I'm not sure why we don't have power to the fuel pump. It's not priming and it's not wanting to have any power whatsoever. So I'm just gonna call it tonight and we'll figure it out maybe off camera or something. I'm not sure. It's just weird troubleshooting while you're filming. I don't know, it just doesn't kind of work together in a good video. So I'm gonna do that off camera, figure out what's kind of going on there, and I'll update you guys clearly. But yeah, it's just not, it doesn't have power. So I'm gonna call it tonight. It's late and I can't really see. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.